tough build Prybar utility knife with storage. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. That is. So there's a button. Ooh, there is an amazing action. Goes up and down really well with a little flick. So there's a button like safety, and I really have to push it deep in it to open it and close. Beautiful. And there's a nice pry bar to pull like a nail out almost. Also it's sharp enough to cut it through the tape, scrape something off. There's a nice like little slant over here. Cool. And there's a storage clip. Sweet, nice clip over here. Okay, how does this open? Oh, the storage is right here. Cool. So it will replace the blades. There's two blades right here, and there's a special blade that is made for this kind of knife. Okay, let's see if we can reload it pretty easily. That's it. Slides in here, put it away. Honestly, the best part is the opening and closing action. Super easy. And to release, a button release, flip it over. Needs a blade like that. The regular blades will not work. Oh, gotta push it all the way in. There's a nice click. And there's like a rope cutter right here and a regular utility blade tool. Again, what a beautiful action. Optigram tape measure, 16 feet 5 meters. Okay, let's see. Okay, what's so cool about this is a see-through. First of all, very cool looking, but the idea of it too is if there's any kind of sand get in here, it is easy to clean, easy to rinse off. And also if you remove it, there's a lock. But yeah, it is easy to blow it through and clean it off, or almost rinse it off and dry it out. So there's easy to clean, no worry of water, oil or salt. They can be easily cleaned with water or cleaning liquid, so like soap. Because it's a stainless steel components, the water and salt will not hurt it, so easy to clean. And if there's sand inside there, same thing, can just rinse it off with water. Hollow design allows the sand getting through without being stuck, so and it's easier to rinse it off. That is so cool. And I can oil it up pretty much easily to just through here, so it's smooth again. Tonight flashlight, little everyday care pocket light. Let's see what's about. Okay, there's a lanyard, and is there a clip? Yes, it can be detachable clip, lanyard, USB-C, and there's a clip right here. Very nice, pretty standard stuff. Okay, let's see how bright it's going to be. Usually there's something, a plastic covering this. For 1100 mAh battery, tonight. Okay, rechargeable, so I don't even have to take it apart, pretty much never, unless I need to replace the battery. Okay, on and off, simply press and hold, change the mood. And it has memory on the last mood, so brightest, if I turn it off it will be brightest. That's good. Now double click into the brightest, and single click back to memory. Triple click, it will be flashing. I love the simplicity of it. Press and hold, change mood. Let's see, turn it off. Now we're going to be preset on the brightest. I love it. Very lightweight, smooth design, very powerful too. Got it here, a Vantage inspired trench lighter with the like oil holder. Let's see how it works. So it's like a keychainer, usually you would put lighter fluid in here to go, like extra, especially with the lighters like that. Vibration issue is pretty high, so this will be like an extra. But what's so cool about this is a reproduction of a really vintage design. As said here, cover will go up, pull it up, and it will become like a wind protector, and the top will open up. This is one of my favorite design. Also, to refill it, would open it this way, and there's a refill. And again, to close it off, just push it down, or I can go slow. Very cool and tight. Okay, there's a burn for it, and obviously to remove that, it will replace the flint. Okay, I'm going to fill it up with lighter fluid right here, and we're going to fill up the lighter, see how it works. I really like that little canister, keychain canister, can go to back of my backpack and stuff, so I always have extra. Okay, let's fill it up to see what it looks like. That's all filled up. Yeah, I'll fill it up. Kinda hard to gauge how much is the full. That'll probably be enough, and I can close it off and wipe it off the excess. Cool. So whenever I need extra, what I will do is open this one off and take it off from my keychain or backpack and fill it up right here. Let's see how it pours. Oh, it doesn't pour very well. There it is. Because it doesn't have a drain hole, it doesn't really pour that well. But it's a cool idea. It's pretty much full now. It does drips out if I go up and down. Okay, and this is what it looks like if I light it up. Beautiful. Burns really well. And to turn it off, simply just glue. Okay, and whenever I wanna light it, boom, beautiful. And whenever I wanna turn it off, just close it off, and it will turn off the flame. Very cool. For bigger flame, smaller protected from the wind flame, and then turn it off. I love that vintage design for sure. Very cool. Boom.